Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Olu.
Good morning, everybody. So we are here at the Poabs Organic Tea, Coffee and Spices Estate in the Western Ghats in Kerala, South India. And Poabs is named the biggest biodynamic farm in the whole India. So we talked to Mr. Abraham Jacob and his brother Joseph Jacob. The farm is managed by three brothers. The middle one is Thomas Jacob. He's not here available today. So we are visiting this farm and we have seen a lot of beautiful crops here in the Western Ghats. Please let us know what kind of crops you grow here and on which acreage, please.
Yeah, as you said, it's one of the largest multi-perennial organic farm in the world itself, because there may not be many farms growing perennial crops as Demeter certified, and we have total extent is 850 acres, of which we have 450 acres for coffee and 250 acres for tea, and we have other allied activities for biodynamic composting. Also other composting yards, manuring yards, drying yards, all together comprise of 850 acres of land. So in coffee we have two different types mainly, that's Robusta and Arabica. Arabica is relatively a high elevation crop, and Robusta is grown in the relatively lower elevation. And then we have the tea that is like a single clone. It's like a champagne or single malt. It's completely one type of tea. That's the grade that the type we use is Ubasi B661, and it's all planted, newly planted area. The entire area is newly planted. We bought this plantation, the family company, my father, and it's a family company. We bought this plantation in 1988. At that time, this plantation was totally closed down for over 12 years, and there was no work happening here. And then we revived this. We replanted the entire area, and we started with a small dairy farm initially to supplement with cow dung and all that. Then in 2000, we have almost completed most of the planting work, and we had moved for certification for organic by '98, and we were certified by 2001. At that time, it was with SCAL International, and later we come to know about Demeter, biodynamic agriculture practice. Since we already had the dairy farm and then we have done a lot of infrastructure work, we thought we should be able to do something even better. That's how we approached the Demeter certification. We also went after the Biodynamic Association of India, and we had a consultant at that time which helped us to train our workers, and then we applied this for the certification in 2001, because we are already certified as organic in 2001, and then we moved for biodynamic certification in 2001, and I think we got it in 2002. So that was right now we have Demeter certified. We are Naturland, it's a control union. We are also certified by Fair Trade, ISO 9001 2008, and USDA for US market, and JAS for Japanese market. Yep, we have done because we are dealing with different buyers, so to their standard, because to their requirement, we have applied and got the certification for different buyers according to their market.
So when did you start with the export actually?
We built our tea factory in 2002. Coffee, we already had also in around 2000. Towards the end of 2003, we had the plantation. The products started being exported, the initial exports.
Yeah.
We came to a kind of full swing export around by 2005. end of 2004, 2005. That was a time which we started exporting a substantial quantity to European market.
So what we have seen, you have a very sophisticated, sustainable system here on this very huge farm. So you have several altitudes. You have done a lot for water sourcing. And therefore you has been recently awarded. So maybe you can tell us more about this award you got recently.
The first award what we won is the Flavor of India Coffee Award in 2004. Then we got the Sustainability Award from the Specialty Coffee Association of USA in 2007 for the best sustainable farm in the world. And then we have been regularly winning awards from the Coffee Pot for the best coffee. And recently in 2013, 14 also we have won the specialty coffee, best specialty coffee from the Coffee Pot.
Yeah. Will you add something?
Yeah, it's a coffee board has been very helpful in promoting because it's an international jury. They have to assess the quality. So every year that was it was helpful in and understand and improve the quality of the coffee. And the sustainability award is very prestigious award, and it was promoted by even the Economic Times of India and all. It was because it's the first time an Indian firm was being selected for such an award. So it was very. We are also very, very touched by that.
Yeah.
Also, we have,
Congratulations.
last year we got the best green tea award from the Basi. That is another big mark for the plantation.
So you have a huge biodiversity on crops, and you do not even have coffee and tea. So you have really all kinds of trees that are growing here in this area. So it's within a national park like that. So and there is a sanctuary nearby. So you are really doing a lot of work also to maintain this system that is naturally here. And so you are also very dedicated and also certified, we said already, with the biodynamic work here. So you do it very passionate, so from the preparations to a kind of laboratory where you do special tests on microbes. And so maybe you can tell us more about this work, please.
In fact, for biodynamic, we are making all the preparations in the farm itself. We make the preparation 500 and 501, and also we grow all the required plants necessary for making the other biodynamic preparation from 502 to 507. We also make CPP and biodynamic compost here. So we maintain a holistic farm concept where everything is recycled within the farm itself. Also, we have the dairy unit with which we use all the for composting as well as the organic or Vedic agriculture practices like using use of panchakavya and other liquid manure, using the naturally available plants to repel the pests and other control other diseases. Also, we have a R&D facility because, as you know, not much work is done on the R&D side of organic farming. So we conduct different trials in tea as well as coffee to improve the quality as well as the productivity of the plants. Also, these R&D facilities used to isolate microbes, naturally available microbes from the soil, to improve the nutritive or fertility status of the soil, and also to control pests and diseases. We have isolated Azospirillum acetobacter and phosphate solubilizers and bacteria we can supplement the plants with nitrogen as well as phosphorus. Also, we have I said trichoderma and pseudomonas, and verticillia, Bavaria, many other organisms which can control diseases as well as control the pest attack. So and it will be a lot more work to be done in that area to improve the organic farm.
It's a preventive mechanism. I mean,
Yeah.
we can, it's more than the cure, it's a preventive mechanism. So we try to do whatever possible experiments that could supplement, protect as well as increase the yield. So there are a lot of infrastructure now. All the planting has been completed. So our main aim is to focus to develop the productivity, increase the productivity of the inorganic manner. So that's a big challenge. So that's why we try to do it with the technical, scientific support and try to distinguish what are the the knowledge behind that can support to increase the productivity of the plants.
Also, we have been associating with various research institutes and universities and taking technology from them for controlling in production, the other technologies they have developed to make the farm more sustainable.
Yeah. So my last question, I would like to ask you, so because you are also on the Indian market, on the domestic market, doing some trading. So what do you estimate? How will the organic domestic market develop? So the next, let's say, 5 years.
The awareness is, if we compare with the last 5 to 10 years, there's a lot of awareness is there, and increasing awareness. I mean, you can get the feel of the increasing awareness because inquiries are there, but then regulations need to be, a little bit more stringent to control the differentiate between the products that is grown, certified organic and which is claimed to be organic. So this is something which is confusing the market right now. But I'm sure this is it has happened in every place where there have been an organic market. So eventually the government, we hope that the government will come up with a clear law that will distinguish between certified organic and the natural products. That would further helps to develop the market. And health-wise, as like anywhere in the world, general consciousness has been there. People are more and more conscious today about their health and what they eat. So so that gives an added advantage, increasing pressure for producers to produce more, and they are likely to get better price in the coming days.
Yeah, and as we heard, so the government of Kerala is doing some efforts to support the organic sector. So they try to claim for that Kerala is getting more into the organic way. So maybe also that can be helpful for you in future.
Definitely, definitely, because it's a good move anyway. It's not an easy task, but at least that awareness is there, and so that it opens a lot of opportunities now where people are thinking in the right direction. Even though it takes a lot of new steps to be taken. A lot of infrastructure to be built before you can really take the industry into organic, which it is not an easy job, easy task. But at least to think in that direction and then take progressive steps would definitely help the segment to grow in a rapid manner.
But it has, to some extent, created awareness among the farmers as well as the consumers that it has to go organic, and it is also able to spread the message that the conventional way of farming has caused a lot of health problems, and a lot of money is being spent on the health sector. So naturally, that thinking could help government also to rethink on promoting or spending a lot of more money on the organic side to promote organic farming.
Sure. So what I can say, I was really deeply impressed about this amazing work here. So, and I wish you good luck for your work further, and Thank you so much for
very much.
hosting the group here. Thank you.